is Andrew from Email Marketing YC, and today I will want to tell you about like Klaviyo support, because many people don't know that Klaviyo has amazing team of support, which can help you like every day from, I believe, from 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. But they are very helpful, and they go above and beyond everything that you need done. So how to find Klaviyo support? It's very easy. After you click on your account name, you click live support. By the way, if you have free account, you will not have that option, as well as free account, you will not have that option. And also, if they are offline, let's say you contact them before 9 p.m. at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, they will be offline, and what they will not be able to build flow for you or campaigns for you, but they will be able to answer any kind of questions you have. Something like I'm answering every day in this kind of videos. If you're not able to find answer to your question in my videos, YouTube videos, you can ask me, but it will take few days for me to record and post. But the Klaviyo support, you can ask right away, and they honestly, I love their support team. So this was just quick video to tell you about their support option, and also where to find it. If you have any additional questions, please let me know. Thank you.